Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got one of my favorite summer recipes for today. It's lobster roll.
Yummy.
Only there's no lobster in it. This is a great recipe, isn't it?
I've heard that with your cooking. There's no meat in there.
Yeah.
What?
Or dairy.
I know, right?
Or eggs.
Whoa.
'Cause it's vegan. So we're going to be making lobster rolls today with these hearts of palm. And we've had this many times, and it is a winner. It's a real winner, but this is the first day that Mark is making it.
So now it will lose.
No, this is just going to show you guys how easy this is for you to make, even if you don't know how to cook.
I don't.
He doesn't.
You're learning now.
He is
There's
learning.
no actual cooking going on here, right?
No.
Okay, good.
It's more of like putting together.
Assembling.
Assembling. There you go.
Some
So-
assembly required.
I'll get my screwdriver.
Yeah. I'm going to drain these cans, and you're going to chop these up to look like lobster-ish.
Okay. Just looking at Bowie because he's super into
Hi, cutie.
Says, what's a lobster roll?
And a Lily. And a Shawnee.
Some people like to rinse these. I don't usually, but I'll rinse them today. Just for something different.
Thank you.
Yeah. Alright, so you
I
can
didn't
see...
realize how thick those were.
Yeah, they are.
I did
This
not
is
know
what they look like when they when you open the can. These are whole. They also come chopped, but I like the whole ones because I like to make a presentation with these. So they're little tubes. And you get 4 in the can, usually. And what I like to do is I like to cut these on the diagonal.
Okay.
You know why?
Looks like those fake sea legs.
Kind of.
Yeah.
But what you do then is you push the inside out a little bit so that it kind of looks like little pieces of lobster. And you can put them in the bowl.
Okay, totally unnecessary, but whatever you want.
Right?
Yeah.
So would you like to do that while I drain this other can?
Sure.
Makes it funner.
Look at those knife
I
skills.
usually don't get to play with knives.
Look at the bonus in this one. You get 6 in this one
Whoa.
because they're smaller. I didn't used to like these a lot because they, I don't know, they kind of had a weird taste out of the can. But when you mix them with the lemon juice,
Don't eat them out of the
it really kills like that weird taste.
Yeah, I wouldn't just eat these straight up.
No.
These are also very good in the crab cakes.
These are excellent, and the crab cakes or the jackfruit is really good too. We've never tried this recipe with jackfruit.
No.
I feel like for lobster, you just want something a little bit more delicate.
Yeah, I think this one works really nicely.
Yeah. Whoops.
How about the Jill fruit?
That's a dad joke. Here,
And
why don't
on
we
that
switch?
note, we're going to leave you to it.
All right. All right. So now we're ready to marinate these. This is best done like the night before, but you can still get away with doing it like day of. Like say you made this at lunchtime for dinner. It's fine. So, yeah, I know. We eat. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in here.
Let me help you.
Okay, hold my arm up. Thank you. Baby daddy, you're going to have the important job of mixing everything.
Okay.
When did this turn into Dad watches you make something?
I don't know.
Control freak.
All right, well, if that's the way it's going to go down, then you need to put 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there.
All right. I must.
I won't even take the cap off for you.
Glug, glug, glug.
You don't want to be glugging that oil.
No.
Why?
Don't be cheap on the olive oil. Yes, there you go.
That's what we do every weekend, isn't it? Just down the olive oil.
Do we have olive oil drinking contest?
Granny has a very heavy hand when it comes to olive oil.
Oh my god, that is light for her. Then we're also going to be adding the Old Bay, because that is what's going to give it the seafoody taste.
We can't afford the new bay, so.
We have to go with
We
the
go with the
Old
Old
Bay. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of that. That was the biggest sigh ever from the dog.
Bowie!
Oh.
Sorry, Bowie.
Yeah.
Jeez.
And one teaspoon of dill. I'm going to leave the ingredient listing with the crude description in the info box, along with half of the recipe, because we're doing double because we're 4 large adults. But maybe you're only making this for you and your husband, or just for yourself, or you and your wife. Who knows?
Would you say that we're 4 adult Simbas?
Yes, we are. Okay, Mark's favorites next. I've already handled it for him.
You've ruined it.
Celery. The way that you chopped it, it looks like little caterpillars, which is weirding me out.
What is this, Fear Factor?
Never. Would never
For
do
me,
that.
yes. It
Well,
is,
yeah.
Because I
For
do
you
not
it
like
is.
celery. Can't we take half of that
No.
out?
No,
Throw
it's
it
chopped
in
up so
garbage.
tiny.
It's so nicely done. Please. That's beautiful already.
Yeah, that's looking good.
Can you smell that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It smells amazing. Now we have our vegan mayo. Any brands will do. Guys, leave it in the comments what your favorite brand of vegan mayo is. I have to go back and forth between the Just Mayo and the Vegenaise, or is it Vegenaise? I always called it Vegenaise, but it might be Vegenaise. But that one is something special. I didn't like it when I first went vegan, and I think maybe they changed the formulation or something. Maybe I'm wrong, but it just tastes so much better now. I don't know.
I don't know.
But we're going to be putting in half a cup. I know. That's okay, because all of this is going to soak into the buns when we, because you're not going to put anything else on
That's
there.
enough. That's enough.
And just scrape that off. Thank you.
Mix it up nice.
That's
Make it
right.
nice.
Wow, there's only one more ingredient besides the buns, and that is scallions.
Are we supposed to fold this in?
No.
How do you fold?
You want to distribute that evenly.
Look at these beautiful scallions that my husband just picked from the garden. Oh, do you smell that?
Oh.
Is Moira your favorite Schitt's Creek character?
Yes.
Dad?
Possibly.
David?
He's a bit much sometimes.
I like
I
Patrick.
mean, she is too.
I like all of them.
I didn't like Alexis, but the last season
She grew on
She
you.
grew on me.
She really went on a journey. They all
She
did.
All right, so after I'm done chopping these scallions, my knife skills are horrible. My father would be cringing right now.
Watch the fingers.
I know. After we're done with this, we're just going to give that a quick mix, and we're going to keep it in the refrigerator until it's time for dinner. And then we're going to toast our buns.
Wow.
Oh, I see we have a taster.
Wow.
A chef should always taste their own
I feel
food.
like you're so close.
I am.
Exciting.
So we paired this with a modified Hasselbeck potato. And I say modified because I like to do them in halves because they cook much quicker. Oh,
They look so pretty.
he's already going in for the bite.
Yeah, I see that. Wasting no time.
It's on a toasted steak roll with a little bit of paprika sprinkled on the
What
top.
do you think?
Good. Nicely toasted.
Nicely
nice
toasted.
touch.
You want to try the potato? It is
Yes.
super hot.
Okay.
If you guys want a video for this potato, let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to do one. Oh,
It looks so fancy. It looks like a
Does
restaurant.
Better than a restaurant.
Yeah.
They
Oh.
just cut them in half usually.
What?
Restaurants.
They don't cut them in half?
They
No.
do. That's what they do. Cut them in half. Here you go.
That's a baked potato.
I know.
This is special.
This is a half Hasselbeck.
You know what's missing that would make this perfect?
What?
I know exactly what he's going to say.
Beans? Get out.
I asked.
Dad's a bean-aholic.
I ask the
Yeah.
vegan almost daily for beans, and she denies me.
Anyway, this is our lobster roll recipe. Did you have fun making it, Dad?
Yes, it was great fun.
Now he's just going to make some beans and then...
I don't know if we're gonna
That's
do
it.
that. I'm kind of tired.
All right, well,
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you had as
Smash
much
the like
fun as
button.
we did. Yep.
make sure you hit that notifications bell to let us know when, to let you know when we're putting up a new, look, he can't stay away.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's dinner time.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you make it.
Yep. Wear a mask when you go out. Stay safe. And until next time, much love.